Hey everyone, welcome back. Doing another unboxing here, and today I'm checking out. Can you guess what it is? Difficult to see from the package, but obviously you clicked on this video, so you know what we're checking out here. It's a Nui pet camera, baby monitor, uh, Wi-Fi security camera here, and it just cut my nails, so this is going to be fun to get into. It's a joke. Come on. Okay. Well, this one boasts 360-degree high definition and super night vision as well. Has two-way communication, sound, motion tracking, all that good stuff. So you can grab this from Amazon for about $50. It says 1080p, full HD, pan, tilt, motion detection, two-way audio, cloud or locally stored, night vision, and this runs about $49.99. I think I already said that. Anyways, I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. Let's move on with the unboxing. Okay, has the instructions. And what is this? A couple little stickers there. It's kind of cool. The instructions here, not too bad. All right, let's move on, shall we? What's in this part here? Just a little box topper. And here we have the camera. All right, that looks fairly futuristic. Looks pretty cool. Looks like you got a micro SD charging port there, or power port in the back. Probably a little reset tab there. Here's our camera, housed in a nice little soft, unobtrusive looking little egg case. Almost looks pretty cool. Has looks like a speaker side part of this side there, a little dot light in the front. My goodness. And so it looks like it can rotate around like that. I don't want to force it, but it says 360 degrees, so this goes up and down and it spins around and follows with motion detection and whatnot. Let's see what else we got in the box here. So if it does have like a baby monitor or something, or if it's used as that, see it's doesn't have any sharp edges or anything like that, so it's not gonna. My goodness, this is giving me some trouble. Is this a joke right now? I mean, good night. I don't know if I can even get that out of there. Okay, wow. That's it for that. And now I got this box here. That was not easy to get out of there. Come on, buddy. All right, let's see what else we got here. Oops. All right, so a bunch of little baggies here. We have the little power plug in there with the USB. Okay. In here we have, okay, some screws, and with the like sheetrock wall anchors there. Here we have a USB plug-in cord. Let's see how long this is. I always like to show the length of the cords. Okay, it's probably about 5 feet, so that's a good length. Kind of a cool looking cord there. And finally, we have the little mount here. So this looks like it probably fits into the bottom here and rotates just like that. So if you wanted to put this up on the wall or something like that, up on a shelf where it's going to not fall off, you could do that. That's pretty cool, actually. So you could put that pretty much anywhere. Boom. And just put the camera on there, and it locks into place. So that's a pretty cool little mounting device there. So pretty excited to be doing a demonstration here and a review coming up. I will leave a link to that video when I get it finished in the description below. You guys can check it out. I usually try to show, you know, the picture quality and whatnot of the camera and what it can do. So thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends, and we'll see you soon. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care. Bye-bye.